Ever thought about how some people seem to make millions so easily? What if I told you that one of the world's richest investors, a man named Warren Buffett, has a simple set of rules for how to do it? He's the ultimate financial elder. And today, we're not just going to read his rules. We're going to break them down into simple, no-nonsense advice you can use right now. These are his 6 secrets to building serious wealth, explained for every young person who wants to become a millionaire by 40. Welcome to Investment Nerds, your personal guide to investing in the African stock market. Follow and subscribe to this channel so we can keep making videos like this for you. Rule 1. Be a value investor. Warren Buffett says, buy things for less than they are worth. This is the core idea of value investing. Imagine you are at the market and you see a big, juicy pineapple that is clearly worth GHS 5. But the seller is only asking for GHS 1. You would buy it, right? That's what a value investor does. They find a great company that is currently undervalued or on sale in the stock market, and they buy it, knowing its true value is much higher. Rule 2. Focus on the business, not the stock. This is a mindset shift. The stock is just a piece of paper. The business is the real thing. Buffett asks, if the stock market closed tomorrow, would you still own the business? If you would, it means you believe in the company's products and its team. You're not just hoping the stock price goes up. You are a part owner of a real company, not just a gambling ticket. Rule 3. Know your circle of competence. This is the most important rule for a beginner. Only invest in what you understand. This is your circle of competence. For you, this might be the local mobile money business or the farm that sells produce you buy every week. It's the things you know inside and out. Avoid what you don't understand because if you can't explain how the company makes money, you probably shouldn't be investing in it. Rule 4. Invest for high rates of return. Buffett looks for companies that can grow your money quickly. He seeks opportunities that have a high rate of return on their earnings. This can be seen in a low PE ratio, meaning you are getting a lot of earnings for a cheap stock price. He also looks for special situations, like a company that is being bought out by a bigger company. Rule 5. Seek a margin of safety. A margin of safety is a fancy term for protecting yourself. It means you should buy a stock for much less than what you think it's worth. If you buy a company you believe is worth GHS 10 for only GHS 5, you have a GHS 5 margin of safety. This protects you in case you were wrong about the company's value or if something unexpected happens. The less you can lose, the bigger you can bet. Rule 6. Never stop learning. This is the simplest but most powerful rule. Warren Buffett says he wouldn't have made it far if he hadn't learned from his business partner, Charlie Munger. The world of investing is always changing, and your knowledge is your biggest asset. Read books, watch videos, and never stop learning about the companies you invest in. So, there you have it, Warren Buffett's 6 rules. Investing isn't about being smart, it's about being disciplined and patient. Now, I want to hear from you. Out of all these rules, which one do you think is the most powerful? Comment in the comment section below. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's build wealth together.